Hey Dave. Just wanted a quick little video showing my file tree. Um, so yeah, I implemented how you wanted the push function to work with the paths. That took, I'll show you. Doing the path thing was the most challenging part because I took your example from class, but I guess it wasn't applicable to mine because I think maybe it was just an issue with the searching, but um, yeah, here I'll show really quick. Let me get rid of that actually. This is my push, and I just didn't end up using your search function, but I have my own. I really had to just break it down step by step of like how it kind of work, and then just go from there. This purple, this second parameter, it's just a state enum, and it just defines what type it is, or whether or not it's a folder or a file. And yeah, and let me show you. Here we are. When it's clicked, it'll highlight the folders that's clicked on, and then you also click off. There you go. Like that. And yeah, I know it's a little different from your example. Mine just kind of to the side. But yeah, that's basically all there is.